Give it a go.
Yeah, I would love to, man. It looks great, by the way.
So you can serve it with the lemon and you squeeze it on top. Do you want some lemon?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. What do you think about the recipe?
I mean, like, growing up, I've never had couscous before, but like, I'm glad Jono has made this recipe because he has brought this into my life, brought couscous into my life, you know. I really like the chorizo in couscous, and the way he caramelized the onion and chorizo really worked out.
Like the oils that come out of the chorizo, when you add the couscous in, it just adds that really beautiful flavor. The most important thing to get right in this recipe is really the couscous. So some tips to make sure your couscous is fluffy every time. Number one is to always use some oil beforehand. Mix it into the couscous, and that really just helps it keep it nice and separated. The second tip is to use a 1-to-1 ratio. So you'll notice we used 1 cup couscous and 1 cup water. Once the couscous finishes cooking, lift the lid up and then get the fork and fluff it. And that's it. 3 tips to keep your couscous nice and fluffy, and it will give you a beautiful dish like this. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you would like to see on this channel. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, guys, that was a lot of talking, but see you next week, guys. Bye.